Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Farzad and today I'm going to show you how to fix your AirPods. All of your AirPods or some of your earbuds. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. For the first, you should go to the settings, Bluetooth, and find your AirPods name. Click on I and forget this device. Forget device. Okay. Now put all of your AirPods to your case. Open the door of case and hold the button of reset for 15 seconds. It's white for now. Wait. Now it's red. And it's okay. Now get your phone and connect your AirPods. And now it's done and all of your AirPods working now. Very simple and easy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.